Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to recover if your phone number is not used for verification. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Google account. After that, go to your personal informations and there you have to scroll down to your phone number and again tap on your number. Here at the top you'll find the options of delete, so tap on it. And here you'll find the option of remove number, so simply tap on remove your number. So your phone number will be removed and then this will help you out to recover your verification of numbers. After doing these steps, your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.